I just replaced the starter on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and I did it in the parking lot of a strip mall. And today I'm going to be tearing down the starter to find out what went wrong with it, and then to later on rebuild it. The car currently has 331,482 miles on it. Let's get started on the teardown of the starter. So usually what goes wrong with these is the brushes get worn down and eventually you don't get a good electrical connection, and they're very easy to replace. So I'll include a picture of when I was trying to start this and it wasn't engaging solid. It actually left a little puff of smoke, so I'll insert that clip. These take a 5mm. There's little bolts. You can smell that it has electrical. Gears look good. You can definitely smell the electrical burning. A lot of oil in there. A lot of oil and gunk. Oh, I really suspect that the oh my goodness. This is so nasty. So clearly the smoke was from the amount of grease and oil this built up. Let me go get a pick. That was a crazy amount of grease. The brushes do look worn down, but with all this grease, they can't even really go outwards to make a proper connection. Oh, that one's completely detached. So I like rebuilding starters and alternators myself, as opposed to buying them from like the AutoZone or the, you know, parts store rebuilt. Because rebuilding it myself, I know it's done right. I know I can use quality rebuild parts. So I'm going to order a rebuild kit, and if you're interested in seeing the rebuild process, let me know in the comments, and I'll do a video on it when they all come in. Yeah, some of these brushes are almost non-existent and not even connected. Oh, but just the amount of grease, I've actually never seen this before. I put this starter in my car, I think about a year ago, and it was just off one of my parts cars. And I never got around to putting in a rebuilt starter until this one went out. And I pulled one of the ones off my then actually I went to the wrecking yard and bought a couple new ones to throw one in. So after I rebuild it, I definitely will be reinstalling a nice rebuilt one. Yeah, that one wasn't even connected. Yeah, this one's not connected. Wow. Crazy. All right, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll throw all these parts kind of roughly back together. So when I get the rebuild kit, I'll know where everything is.